selling act Orange and Lemons is back. PBB Season 2 housemate Makoy Fondales, together with Ace and JM Del Mundo, are now ready to heat up the radio charts with their new band, Kenyo, and their radio surfing with their new album from Universal Record, with remix of 80s radio hits, and their debut single, Sana. Kaya live ngayon sa ASAP 08 with Gary V, we give you Makoy Fondales and his new band, Kenyo.
Sana'y wala.
Folks, a big hand from McCoy and the new band, Kenyo. At isang napakagandang awitin para sa inyo lahat.
Sana ang buhay ay walang dulo hangganan. Sana'y wala ng taong mahirap o mayaman. Sana'y isang kulay, sana'y wala ng away.
Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin. Sana magkatotoo.
Sana'y laging magbigayan,
Sana'y laging magmahalan.
sana ang tao'y hindi nagugutom o nauuhaw. Sana'y hindi na gumagabi o umaaraw.
Sana'y walang tag-init, sana'y walang naglamig.
Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin.
Sana'y magkatotoo.
Sana'y laging magbigayan,
Sana'y laging magmahalan.
tatanda, lilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.
Sana'y pag-ibig na lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo.
Sana'y laging magbigayan,
Sana laging magmahalan.
sana.
Sana, sana, sana. Woo! Folks, itong bagong album, it's called Radio.
Yeah, Radio Surfing po
Yan
ang
na, tara,
pangalan
tara,
ng
tara.
aking bagong album at
Sige.
ang bagong banda po namin kasama si ACJM at ang mga kaibigan namin si Jeff, si Oka is Kenyo.
Kenyo.
Ako po ay Kenyo ngayon and the album is called Radio Surfing. under Universal Records.
At obviously, yung single, the carrier single is
Sana from Florante. And kung napansin niyo po, inihalo din namin yung kanta niya na Handog.
Yes.
So the album is like that. It's a mix of different songs in one
Each
track.
song?
Maraming ganon sa album.
Very interesting.
Yes, and
So it's called Radio Surfing. It's out in the market already?
it's out in the market already under Universal Records.
Under
po.
Universal Records.
I would like to congratulate Mr. George and Kathleen Digos Regari ng
Yes.
Universal Records for a new baby boy. And thank you ASAP, thank you Sonic State Studio, Robert Javier, Jonathan Ong, and Miss Fishy for helping us with the album.
McCoy,
Thank you po.
Kenyo, thank you also for being with us.
Thank you.
Don't go away. ASAP 08 will be right back. We'll see you in a while.
The stage is all set for a brand new ASAP experience.